Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is number 2956. Find common elements between two arrays. So you're given two zero-index integer arrays, nums1 and nums2 of sizes n and m respectively. Consider calculating the following values. The number of indices such that the number of indices I such that I is less than 0, or what was that? Where I is bigger than or greater than 0 but less than n, and nums1 at index I occurs at least once in nums2, and vice versa for nums1. So return an integer array of size 2 containing the two values in the above order. So in this example you can see that at index 3 we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, we've got 3, and at index 4 we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a shared element, it's 3. In example 2, there are no common elements, so the two values will be 0. Constraints for this, there's going to be between, what was that, 1 and 100, or what's that, n is greater than or equal to 1, m is less than or equal to 100, and each number is going to be between 1 and 100. I'm just going to go over to my notes and write down any ideas. So I think the simplest way to do this, maybe not the most effective, but if we want a simple solution, it would be to iterate through one of the arrays. And then, as we're iterating, check if the current number exists in the other array. If it doesn't, go to next item, next, or just number an array. If it does, return current index and index of, so here we're going to return the current index and the index of the number that has been found in the other array. Okay, let's try that. I will need to look at like some documentation online because I don't remember the Python method. I think it's .find or something like that we need to use. So yeah, find. So, or no, but it's not a string. Find value in the list. Oh wait, I'm silly. It's just the in operator. So for num in range, length of nums let's go nums1. If nums1 if nums1, or what, that's what I was going to check. Find Python list and read the index. What if it doesn't exist? Okay, it just throws an error. Okay. So if nums1 num and nums2, what we can do is return num followed by nums2 or we could say yeah, index of nums1 at index num, or index nums2, sorry. And then we can just do return, and this is if we don't find anything, we just return 0, 0. Okay. I think it should just be as simple as that. Let's hit run and see. So this one's wrong. Output was 1, 2, expected 3, 4. So here we see 1 and 2, so that's 1 here. And, or, yeah, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 2, so that's not right. Hmm. If nums1 at index num return, oh, even at that, yeah, return num, and then, so we can see here, we iterate through nums1. We check if 4 is in nums2, it's not. We check if 3 is in nums2, it is. So we check, what did we check? We checked that 4 was in here, nope. We checked that 3 is in here, yep. The element set indices 1, 2, and 3 in nums1 occur at least once in nums2. So the first value is 3. The elements at index 0, 1, 3, and 4 in nums2 occur at least once in nums2, so the second value is 4. Hmm. Hmm. So this is a bit more confusing. So we go to index 1, then we go to index 2, the 5 doesn't exist, then 3, 2 exists. So 0, 1, yeah, so that exists. This doesn't exist. This exists, so that would be the elements at indices 1, 2, and 3. 0. 3, 2, and 3, okay, that appears in here. Hmm. Elements, and this is 1, 2, and 3 in nums1. So that's 3, 2, and 3 occur at least once in nums2, so the first value is 3. Alright, so we check, does index 3 exist in the value index? We iterate, check if the indexes exist in here. So we increment this if it does. Okay, cool. So I thought it was going to be a bit different. So we're going to do do count 1, count 2. In fact, let's go back to our notes quickly. What we're going to do is iterate through one of the arrays. If it does increment the count for that array by 1, do the same with the other array. Return the count of each arrays. So let's try and do that. So all I'm going to do now is set these both to 0. Then what I'm going to do is check if this exists in nums2. If it does, I'm going to do count 1 plus equals 1. I'm going to do the same thing for the other array. Just going to do a switch around, and then I can do return this followed by this. Okay, accepted. Hopefully, there we go, accepted. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment, and yeah, thanks once again for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.